Amid the ongoing Mpox scare, the Union Health Ministry has issued an advisory for all states and union territories. This after the first suspected case of monkeypox has emerged in the country. That news was yesterday, of course, and today the government has recommended screening and testing of all suspected Mpox patients and isolation of confirmed cases, as well as contact tracing to prevent and to minimize risk of, in any case, or death due to Mpox in the country. They've been asked to identify any such patients who must be isolated, but also the government said that they must guard against undue panic among the masses. Tanushka sent us this report.
This is after the Ministry of Health, came out with these guidelines that were just being talked about as well, and this is after first monkeypox case has been reportedly found in the country, wherein this patient came in from another country into India. And what we understand from these guidelines that the Health Secretary has written out to the states is that the WHO has also assessed the risks in countries, especially in Africa. However, there are no fresh cases in India as of now, other than this one case that has just come up, and the main measures that will be taken will not just be at state level but also at district levels. Therefore, there will be senior officials who will be coordinating from the center with the state as well as district. There will be health preparedness at facilities at these district hospitals as well. The entry points, that is airports into the country, different entry points will be equipped with now such information and such checks to ensure that people, even if patients are coming in with this sort of disease, are picked out and put into isolation right at the beginning there and then. Isolation points also will be put into place. All of these logistics will be done as of now across the country to figure out which hospital has how many isolation points and how much space for isolation as well to take place, because as Vishnu sir also mentioned that this disease is of course, first step, the transmission is by sexual contact, but thereafter it can also spread from person to person. So to curb that, isolation points are also necessary to be brought into place. Now the ministry has also opened up a portal for specific guidelines and to spread awareness with respect to monkeypox. So a lot of people can go onto this website on the Health Ministry portal and have a look at it. And what we are also understanding is that there will be dissemination of information as well, not just at a central level but also in hospitals. So a lot of movement is happening right now with respect to monkeypox, especially because a patient has been found with reportedly has been found with the disease.